Without a doubt, doing laundry is one of those household chores we all hate to do. Although modern conveniences like washing machines have eliminated the need to scrub every piece of clothing individually, there's still a lot to do when it comes to laundering items. They need to be sorted, you have to ensure proper water temperature, and of course, swap them from the washer to the dryer. And let's not forget the long, tedious process of ironing, folding, and putting them away. With a washer-dryer combo machine, you can kill two birds with one stone by effectively washing and drying your clothes, even if you aren't living in a large furnished home. Nevertheless, the large number of washer-dryer combo machines, brand variations, and price points on the market makes it hard to find the best model. So that brings up the question, which is the best washer-dryer combo machine on the market? Well, for this video, we've rounded up the top 5 machines on the market for 2020. Whether you're looking to buy your very first washer-dryer combo or you're looking to upgrade to a better model with improved capabilities, we'll show you the best models out there. If you want to find great prices and more information about the products mentioned in our video, we've included links in the description below. And now, let's start. At number 1 is the LG WM3997 ventless washer-dryer combo with turbo wash. This high-duty, energy-efficient washing appliance is by far one of the largest washer-dryer combos on the market. Boasting a sizable drum capacity of 4.5 cubic feet, this machine is large enough to hold even the most oversized loads, meaning you don't have to constantly keep loading in small amounts. The drum's solid stainless steel gives it durability as well as ensuring that it's rust-free even after years of use. For safety reasons, the machine's door automatically locks during active cycles. Additionally, the door is fitted with magnets that facilitate the airing out of the drum while still holding the door in place. Another impressive thing you'll love about the LG ventless washer-dryer combo is the number of cycles it offers. It comes with a total of 14 wash cycles, making it one of the most versatile appliances out there. In particular, you'll love the Turbo Wash program. It allows you to clean large loads of laundry in record time thanks to the 1,300 RPMs of maximum speed. And if that's not enough, the Allergen Cycle program will keep your clothes clean and get rid of 95% of dust, allergens, and dander. This is particularly useful if you're looking to decontaminate your little one's stuffed animals or toys. One of the biggest problems with washer-dryer combos is that most tend to leave the drying option at a hot temperature by default, only allowing you to manually control the length of the cycle. And this is one area where the LG manages to outgun its competitors. You can either choose time drying or rely on the machine's sensors to automatically set the ideal drying setting. This is very important as it helps eliminate guesswork, especially when dealing with pieces of clothing that are prone to shrinking, like jeans or wool sweaters. The energy efficiency of the LG ventless machine is unmatched. It's equipped with a SenseClean monitor that dispenses water and determines optimal wash time depending on the size of the load. As a result, you get only what you need, making it energy efficient. If you're looking for a washer-dryer combo that offers an array of washing and drying options and has an excellent load capacity, the LG WM3997 is worth every penny. It's perfectly sized to fit in average closets and is safe for all types of linen. At number 2 is the Whirlpool WFC 8090 GX all-in-one washer-dryer combo. Packed with high-tech smart features, this all-in-one laundry appliance comes with a front-loading design that lets you easily place the clothes inside the drum and remove them. Although the 24 cubic inches in capacity is relatively small, the Whirlpool WFC 8090 GX can easily wash and dry an 8-pound load in less than 4 hours. Furthermore, the Load and Go dispenser dispenses the detergent automatically, and all you need to do is top it off every 20 loads. This gives you the freedom to work on other tasks without having to worry about detergent running out. Thanks to the 22 customizable programs, this unit gives you plenty of options to wash your clothes without damaging them. Moreover, it does incorporate a sanitized cycle that increases the water temperature, killing 99.9% of all common household bacteria. For drying purposes, you have 5 different temperature selections to choose from, including hot, extra hot, cold, cool, and warm. If you're not a fan of folding and putting away your clothing after washing and drying, the Whirlpool WFC 8090 features an automatic wrinkle shield option that tumbles your clothes every 12 hours after washing and drying. Along with that, this appliance allows you to remotely launch, pause, and choose a wash setting via your mobile phone through the Whirlpool app. Using Amazon's Alexa, you can also find out how long your wash or dry cycle will take using a simple voice command. And for convenience purposes, you'll also receive notifications alerting you when your load is clean and dry. Go ahead and reinvent your laundry experience with this compact 2-in-1 combo. It has a large capacity, remote control capability, and combines the convenience of a washer and dryer without taking up too much of your space. At number 3 is the Deco DC 4400W all-in-one washer-dryer combo. If you're shopping for a front-loading washer-dryer machine with a striking design and plenty of features, then this unit is sure to catch your eye. It comes with a white stainless steel body that's accentuated by a black door to give your laundry room a great look. The unique one-button convertible control lets you load easily and conveniently alternate between the washer and dryer, as well as keeping track of usage patterns by displaying the frequency of use cycles. The Deco DC 4400 is also one of the most powerful washing appliances currently available. The 1.6 cubic foot tank is powered by a 1200 RPM motor, allowing you to easily wash large loads of clothing in a snap. Moreover, it's one of the few washer dryers that lets you choose between venting or condensing, giving you unsurpassed flexibility to clean your clothes wherever and whenever. It also has 14 different programmable washing cycles to give you a wide array of choices to wash, dry, or both, as well as protecting your clothing. The machine also comes with a soil level setting for deep cleaning heavily soiled clothing and a full heat and half heat settings for drying. If you want to discover a time-saving and space-saving device that comes with the Deco DC 4400, click the link in the description box. At number 4 is the Magic Chef all-in-one washer and ventless dryer combo. Small but powerful washer-dryer combos that are small enough to fit in any space are increasingly more popular, and Magic Chef has created this unit to fit the description. With its 2.7 cubic foot capacity, this machine can easily handle exceptionally large loads of laundry. Its maximum washer capacity is 26.4 pounds, and its maximum dryer capacity is just over 17.5 pounds, making it one of the few washing machines capable of handling such a large load. With 16 different customizable wash cycles, you can take care of any piece of clothing regardless of its material. It even comes with a tub clean option to keep it clean and mildew free, which will help reduce maintenance costs. The Magic Chef washer and ventless dryer combo also has some unique features such as the 24-hour delay start option and de-wrinkling cycle. These two complement each other that you don't have to worry about excessive wrinkling in case you forget to remove the load for whatever reason. Although the washer-dryer combo is compact and portable, there is a sacrifice for water efficiency. The missing automatic load sense means it doesn't have the capacity to dispense water in relation to the load, making it less efficient. However, it does have enough capacity to wash and dry large loads of laundry, plus the diverse amount of wash cycle settings makes it suitable for any kind of household. At number 5 is the Haier ventless washer-dryer combo. Conceived as part of Haier's apartment-dwelling appliance lineup, this mid-range washer-dryer combo features a slim profile to fit even in the smallest of rooms. However, don't let the slim profile deceive you. Like most front-load washers within its price range, this combo comes with a maximum laundry capacity of 8 pounds and a wide variety of wash settings, including a soaking cycle, delay wash, quick wash, and a perm press cycle. You can also choose between different dryer cycles that include auto dry, timed dry, and heatless dry, depending on the type of material. With all these different features at your disposal, you're able to refine the wash and dry cycles. On top of its intelligent engineering, the Haier washer-dryer combo is one of the most energy-efficient appliances on our list. Part of this is due to its automatic load sense, which determines the necessary amount of water for each wash cycle in relation to its size. Over time, this feature will help you save a lot of water and money. To sum up, the Haier 2 cubic foot ventless washer-dryer combo is a mid-range unit that gives you the best bang for your buck. It's simple to operate, effective at removing stains, and is gentle on all types of clothing. And there you go, the top 5 washer-dryer combos on the market. If you're the type of person that needs a little coaxing to embrace laundry day, we hope you'll find a great appliance to suit your budget and mode of washing. If you find a particular model that suits your needs, click the link in the description box to catch it at a discounted price. Before we wrap things up, we're always looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. So if you have a product in mind that you'd like to see us review, comment down below and our research team will be happy to review it for you. Also stay up to date with our latest videos by tapping the red bell icon and become part of our growing online community by subscribing to our channel. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you next time here at the ReviewTube channel, your home of fair and square product reviews.